Removing junk files from your Mac isn't optional anymore. It's essential if you want it to run like it used to. In this video, you're going to learn how to remove junk files from your Mac using MacKeeper's Safe Cleanup tool. This is not just a few surface level tricks. I'm talking about the hidden files that quietly pile up and slowing your Mac down over time. I'll show you what these junk files actually are, why your Mac holds on to them, and how MacKeeper helps you delete them safely and completely. And by the way, if you find this video helpful, the best way to support me is to sign up to MacKeeper using the link in the description of this video. This is my affiliate link, which means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you very much, and now let's get started. The junk you don't see. Most of the junk on your Mac isn't where you can see it. It's not on your desktop or in your downloads. It's hidden. Deep in your system are old cache files, system logs, unused language packs, leftover mail attachments, and trash files that never fully cleared. These aren't just harmless leftovers. They build up slowly every time you use your Mac. One file here, a few megabytes there, until suddenly your storage is full and everything runs slower. And here's the thing, your Mac doesn't clean this up on its own. It just holds on to it. You might never notice it until your apps lag, your fan kicks in, or that dreaded startup disk almost full message pops up. But knowing what junk files are is just the start. The real challenge is figuring out how to safely get rid of them. Why manual cleanup fails you. At this point, you might be thinking, I get it, there's junk on my Mac, so why not just delete it myself? It's a fair question, and if it were that simple, you wouldn't be here. Sure, you could open Finder, go to your library folder, and start digging. There are caches, logs, folders labeled with app names you barely remember using. You could manually search and delete a few things. But here's where it gets tricky. Most of the junk is buried in system folders with names that mean nothing to the average user. Some are safe to delete, others not so much. One wrong click and you could remove something your Mac actually needs to run properly. There's no warning, no safety net, just you guessing. And even if you do everything right, you'll only scratch the surface because new junk shows up daily. And going through this maze over and over again, it's time consuming, frustrating, and risky. So yes, manual cleanup is possible, but it's like trying to clean a house you can't see while blindfolded. That's why tools like MacKeeper's Safe Cleanup exist. Not to do something you can do, but to do it faster, safer, and smarter. Let me show you how MacKeeper actually solves this. What MacKeeper is and how to get started. MacKeeper is more than just a file junk remover. It's an all-in-one toolkit built specifically for Mac users. It's designed to clean, protect, and optimize your Mac without needing you to be a tech expert. One of its core features is Safe Cleanup, the tool that zeroes in on hidden clutter like system logs, old caches, unused language files, and leftover mail attachments. But it doesn't just stop there. MacKeeper also includes adware removal, malware protection, memory cleanup, VPN access, and even 24/7 tech support chat, making it a powerful companion for keeping your Mac healthy long term. Now, here's how to get it. You won't find MacKeeper in the Mac App Store. To install it, head to the official website. You can just click the link in the description of this video. Then download the file, open the installer, and follow these simple setup instructions. Once it's installed, you'll find it in your applications folder like any other app. From there, just open MacKeeper. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see Safe Cleanup right near the top. That's where your cleanup journey begins. As for pricing, there's a basic monthly plan at $14.95 if you just want to try it out. But if you go with the yearly plans, you will save a lot more. Just $5.95 per month for one Mac or $7.45 per month for up to 3 Macs. All plans include the full Safe Cleanup tool and come with a 100% money-back guarantee. Now, let's walk through the process of using Safe Cleanup, step by step, so you can see exactly how it works. How to use Safe Cleanup step by step. Once you've installed MacKeeper from the official website, you can find it in your applications folder, just like any other Mac app. Open it up and you will see a sidebar on the left with a list of tools. Click on Save Cleanup, and you're ready to begin. Hit Start Scan, and MacKeeper immediately goes to work. No setup, no configuration. Just a one-click scan that checks your system for hidden junk. And here's what it looks for. Safe Cleanup scans 5 key categories comprising logs, which includes alt system reports and error records, caches, trash, mail attachments, and language files. These aren't things you would normally spot. They sit in the background, quietly taking up space day after day. But MacKeeper finds them in seconds. And the way it organizes the results makes everything easy to understand. Each category shows how much space is being wasted, and you can click to expand and see individual files inside. Want to double check something? You can preview any file or even open its location in Finder. Don't want to remove everything? No problem. Just uncheck whatever you would like to keep. MacKeeper doesn't delete a thing unless you approve it. And when you're ready, hit the big blue Clean Junk Files button. MacKeeper clears everything you selected, and you will see a confirmation showing how much space you just reclaimed. It's fast, safe, and honestly, kind of satisfying. You watch gigabytes of clutter vanish, and your Mac feels lighter, almost instantly. And when it comes to the trash category, MacKeeper gives you control there too. You can choose to skip trash if you want to keep those files around, or go ahead and empty trash to delete them completely. Once it's done, you're not just freeing up space, you're restoring performance, reducing background load, and giving your Mac a fresh start. But here's the thing, your Mac doesn't stay clean forever. Next, I'll show you how to stay ahead of junk before it slows you down again. How to keep your Mac junk-free over time. Every app you open, every file you download, it all adds more clutter. And if you wait too long to clean again, your Mac ends up slow all over again. That's why MacKeeper includes automatic safe cleanup scans every 24 hours. It won't delete anything without asking. You stay in control, but it quietly scans and lets you know when it's time to clean. Think of it as a gentle reminder, like a digital housekeeper that keeps your Mac running smooth without you having to think about it. Do you prefer manual scans? No problem. Just go to MacKeeper, Preferences, click the regular scan tab, and uncheck automatically scan my Mac every 24 hours. Whether you let it run in the background or do it on your own, staying ahead of junk is now effortless. Let's wrap this up and talk about what all of this means for your Mac going forward. The payoff your Mac deserves. Free space on your Mac isn't just about storing more files. It's about giving your system room to breathe. When your disk is full of junk, like old logs, cached data, hidden attachments, your Mac has to work harder to do even the simplest things. Apps open slower, the fan kicks in more often, battery drains faster. Even updates can fail because there isn't enough space to process them. But when you clear out the clutter, everything changes. Your Mac starts up faster, apps respond quicker, background processes run smoothly, and the system as a whole becomes more stable, more efficient, and less likely to crash or freeze. And that's what free space really gives you, a healthier, faster, longer lasting Mac. Because performance isn't just about hardware, it's about keeping your system clean, light, and ready to handle whatever you throw at it. So, if your Mac's feeling slow or full, and you want a clean way to clear out the junk, MacKeeper's Safe Cleanup is worth a try. Use the link in the description to download it, so if you found this video helpful, it will help support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.